R con R cigarro, R con R barril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. Hola, ¿qué tal? Quería compartirles el día de hoy una lección de la letra R. R, 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 R. Yes, this letter is so critical in Spanish. We need to practice our letter R. Remember, do not give up. If you've tried to say it and it doesn't come out the way you want it, what do we have to do? If at first you don't succeed, try, and try again. Tenemos que practicar, intentar, practicar hasta que nos salga bien, right? Until we master it. So, let me tell you something about the la letra R. There has to be this vibration, right? On the back of your upper teeth. But it has to be fast and strong. Like the helicopter rotor blades. So think of those helicopter rotor blades. That's our letter R, nuestra letra R. Muy importante. O también piensa, or also think of the motorcycle. Okay, so here's a motorcycle going fast. And did you know that as a child, even me and my sister can tell you, she says, she remembers that she is the one that taught me the letter, how to pronounce the letter R correctly. Yes. So for both those who are born in a home where Spanish is spoken, or if Spanish is your second language, the letter R needs to be perfected. So now here's a little rhyme that even Spanish-speaking children have to learn. I remember my dad taught me this, and this little rhyme, and it's still is being taught by to many children today. So the meaning to this little rhyme is this: R with R, cigar. But the rhyme has chosen many words that have the R sound. And if you look at the word here, barril, the barrel. So the rule says that when there are two vowels together and there's an R in between them, the R will be soft, like in the word pera, pear, pera. However, if there are two R's, then we'll have to have the strong R, as in the word barril, or carros, or even ferrocarril. See the E and the O over here in ferrocarril, the railroad, ferrocarril. And the other rule says that when the R is at the beginning of a word, like in my name, Rosita or Rocio, and if the R is at the end of a word, like in the word azúcar, it will be strong. So let me, I'll say it to you, and then we'll try to memorize it. R con R cigarro. R con R barril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. All right, so now I say it and you repeat it after me. R con R cigarro. R con R barril. Muy bien. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. Yeah, muy bien. There's even a little song that I saw the other day. R con R cigarro, R con R barril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. Yeah, that with the guitar will sound really good. Okay, so now repeat after me. Rueda. Muy bien. Verde. Excelente. Did you notice this? In verde, there's not a vowel next to it. That's why you only needed one, right? and just in the word árbol, there's a consonant right after the R. Árbol. Muy bien. Y la palabra romper. Excelente. Muy bien. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver este video. Si tú estás interesado, if you're interested in taking my lessons with me, have your parent email me to maestrarositaespanol@gmail.com. Nos vemos pronto. Hasta pronto. Gracias por ver este video. Adiós. Sigue practicando tu erre.